Gotta have a part for that. Don't touch the pedal.
Okay guys, so in this video I may or may not have got a new project. No, I definitely did. So right now what we have going on is we have the jet ski project and we have the pit bike project, and those are going along pretty well. I just got some parts in for those, so expect some new videos of those up. But in this video I'm going to be revealing the new project that's going to be around for a long time, hopefully. And yeah, as you can tell by the thumbnail, it is a Mustang. It's a 1973 coupe, and here it is. So here is the Mustang. It's red, not the best of paint job. Fake Cobra decal thingy there. Here's the back. I think it looks pretty darn sweet. Oh, I hope I wasn't covering the mic with my finger. But yeah, here's the other side. Same thing, but it's freaking cool. It's a little bit kicked up in the rear. Yeah, don't mind the little rust bubbles. A little bit kicked up in the rear because it has this adjustment right here where you can adjust the ride height in the rear. But yeah, this is basically the only rust on the car. It's right here. I looked up underneath. Everything is very solid. I don't know how well you guys can see up under there. I'll pop the trunk here soon for you guys to check out that. But it's a very clean car. Definitely want to get eventually a hood with a scoop on it, like the Mach 1s had. Oh, one-handed. Hold up. Let me set you guys down. Boom. Got it. Okay. It has the 302 in it. Has a custom intake manifold, and then along with a custom carburetor, I'm pretty sure, with a electronic choke, big old radiator. Somebody spent a pretty penny on that. Brand new alternator, it looks like. Brand new starters on it. Master cylinder doesn't look too bad. Has the brake booster, vacuum, whatever on it. I got a new battery in the truck. Some jank wiring over there. A lot of jank yeah, this car has, I think, 6 speakers in it with a subwoofer. So there's some jank wiring going on. None of it works, of course. He has it all snipped, but here's the interior. So, not terrible. Ooh. Not terrible, but definitely we could find better. The seats are not original to it. They're out of some random car. And holy cow, is it hot in there. All the heat's radiating out. But got a steering wheel cover. I want to put a new steering wheel on it. That one's pretty much gone. The dash has been spray painted, so definitely gonna have to do something about that. There's some of those speakers down in there. And then there's some speakers right down here. Yeah, some speakers in the back. A weird seat cover over the rear seat, so probably have to reupholster that. Carpet, I'm definitely gonna get new carpet in it, because this carpet's not bad at all, but it's just so many, it's just not, it's loose everywhere. So either gonna tighten that all up and make it look nicer, or probably put some black carpet in it, to be honest. The dash has been upholstered up here, but terribly, so yeah. Window tint is to the max on this car. Can't even see inside. I'm not complaining though. So this coupe used to have the soft top on it, or the vinyl wrap thing, you know what I'm talking about. So the dude covered it up with some tape and painted it or something, but you can see the little holes from where it used to like secure that top on it. So definitely gonna have to do a lot of body work to it. Thankfully not a lot of rust repair or floor pans in it. That's what my goal was, just to make sure I get a structural car so I don't need to do a lot of patch panels. This one just needs a lot of body work, which any old car is to be expected. But yeah, right now I went to the hardware store and I picked up a new battery and I got 8 new spark plugs for it. Oh yeah, it has a brand new distributor on it, so distributor's good, engine's free, oil looks good, it cranks over. So yeah, we had a different battery in it, but it wasn't big enough, so it wasn't really cranking it over fast enough. So hopefully this big battery, I'll throw it in there, and with the new spark plugs, it'll hopefully fire up. The timing is definitely off, so we have it loose right now so we can twist it around to see what we want to set it at, and then tighten it down when we get it running. The carburetor hopefully is good. I mean, it is brand new, but the previous owner did mess around with it and could have wrecked it, but I don't think that's the case. But yeah, I got a spark plug tester, so I'm gonna check for spark on everything. One of the old spark plugs, the porcelain was cracked, so definitely wasn't firing off at least one spark plug. So yeah, we're gonna see what these new spark plugs do to it. I have a few buddies coming over that are gonna help me, and hopefully we can get this thing fired up. It does, oh yeah, the gas tank in it is brand new, with like new fuel lines, fuel pump and all that, so it is pumping fuel to the carburetor, so we don't have to worry about that. But yeah, as you can see, good new gas tank. Sadly it didn't come with the key thing, the owner didn't know where it was, so can't really put gas into it yet. Gonna have to do some jank stuff to get that thing out. But yeah, I have a different gas cap off a 1973 Mustang convertible. I'll just take that one. But yeah, black rims. Used to be like some aluminum type of rim, but they're plastic dipped black. Missing a lug. Same with the front's missing a lug. But yeah, I'm gonna leave these doors open, let it cool off in there. And next clip you'll see is me and my buddies trying to crank it over with the new spark plugs in it. I got some nice Motorcraft ones. So yeah, I don't know how well the camera's gonna pick this up, but here are the new Motorcraft spark plugs. Yeah, they match the rears. I meant the old ones, but the reason why I didn't just get the old ones again was because they actually discontinued those spark plugs, so I had to figure out this. And for the 302s, the spark plug size is not a 5/8 like this one, so all the parts stores were giving me these bigger spark plugs, and I'm like, that isn't the size my car has. So then I thought my car had different heads on it or something. I did some digging. Apparently aftermarket heads have smaller spark plugs they use for the 302s, or certain years of the 302 have smaller spark plugs on the head. So yeah, just be weary of that when you're working on your 302, I guess. I don't know, it might just be me or somebody put different heads on my car. Not too sure, I'm gonna have to look at numbers. But these are the spark plugs for my car. They match identical to the old ones with the depth that they stick in and the heat index, so I should be pretty well set with these. Plus they are Motorcraft, which is Ford brand, so yep. Okay guys, so I just got the spark plugs installed, and my buddies are about to show up, and I'm gonna cut to a clip of us setting you up on the truck and trying to start it. Now that we got the new spark plugs in it, it should hopefully fire up and run. So yeah, see you guys when they get here. Isn't it like nitrous?
You still got fuel in there, so pump it like 2 or 3 times. That'll work. Remember what to do if it got a fire? You gotta have a part for that. It's running. Don't touch the pedal. get oil flow. Yeah, oil gauge. Just let it go for a second before you rev it. What? She died. I don't think the timing is right. Try to start it again there. Alright. You're trying to go backwards. Are you on the brakes? Yeah. Okay. Well, it's fine. Alright. I'm gonna turn your idle up a little bit. Yeah, it's probably not even hooked up. Alright, start it and then I'm gonna run the gas up here. We ran out of, oh wait, try that. Try that. Oh. You think we need a choke? You got a rag? Alright. Don't give it a lot of fuel. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna put my hand there. You got anything in there? Give me that paper. It'll burn. No gas, just start it. Alright. I definitely think we have a misfire somewhere. Well, we ran out of timing adjustment, so either we need to rotate the plugs again. Yeah, let's try that.
Alright.
This choke will work too, I think.
We need the electronic. Yeah. Okay. So like this?
Well, this spins this way, and we ran out of movement this way. So we need. Wait, we got. But is this where they were?
Yeah.
If we need to.
We need to go this
if
way.
This is pointed this way. And
Yeah.
we're moving this one closer to this way.
We need to pull.
Yeah, we need to go this way.
So take this one off. Just throw it aside.
No, just do it one at a time.
Okay, like that.
Yeah.
Like
Damn, it did idle that first try though. Like.
I know. That was good. That's when I pumped a lot of gas into it though.
Yeah, that probably means it needs to choke. I didn't see any giant oil leaks yet.
Means the oil's still in the motor.
Shoot, if it starts, you can just drive around here.
That's exactly what I'm gonna do.
Okay.
I want to drive it so bad.
It's not as loud as I thought.
Not as loud as I thought either.
I need to bring the saws all over.
Yeah, we can fix that.
Yeah, that's easy. That's the easy part. You get them all?
Yeah.
Let me check them. Waspy boy's back.
So yeah, that's all we're gonna do in this video, guys. Sorry about the abrupt clip change right there. But yeah, we got it running ish. We know it runs. It doesn't run really good right now. So we actually took the carburetor off. It's in the back of my truck. I'm gonna try and clean it out. Joey's also gonna bring a Holley carburetor, so we'll see how that does or what we end up doing. But yeah, it fired up. It ran for a little bit. Let's see if next time we come out here we can get it running and we could go for a little test drive around the facility here. So yeah, stay tuned for the next video. If you haven't already, liked, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. See you guys. Bye.